So let's start with our alphabet. So I'm looking for the first letter of the alphabet, which is A. I'm looking for the last letter of my alphabet, which is Z. I'm looking for the middle letter of my alphabet, which is M. Now complete the alphabet arc. Press pause now. So let's go through our alphabet. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So you see there I corrected myself when I had the wrong letter. Check your direction, check the position of your letters. Press pause now. So the second part of our routine, we are going to look at the sounds that we are learning today. So I have an igloo, a pig, a fish, and a lipstick. Igloo, pig, fish, lipstick. What sound is the same in all of those? I. Let's look for the position in the words. Igloo, pig, fish, lipstick. And let's highlight where the sound appears. So it's at the first letter of igloo. It's in the middle of pig, in the middle of fish, and lipstick I have two. I have lip in the middle of lip and in the middle of stick. Let's practice creating our sound through writing. So I have my tray. So I'm going to practice my I. Go down, give it a little tail and a dot. I, 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 I. Now let's create our sound card to practice through the week with our sound. So I'm going to draw my I. I'm going to draw a line underneath it so I know which way up the I should go. I'm going to turn over. I'm going to draw an igloo. So I'm going to draw my dome, little door, and my blocks of ice. And I is also I. So let's practice. I, igloo, I, igloo, I. So we have now created our sound card. We are now going to read some words with I. Pig, zip, tin, rib. Let's read those slowly. P-I-G, pig. Z-I-P, zip. T-I-N, tin. R-I-P, rib. Let's read some more words with the I sound. Sip, dim, did, bid, fin, fib, hip, fit, sid. It's a capital letter. Why do we have a capital letter? It's a name. Dip, bib, big, hit, sin, bin, in, bit, dig, him, sit, fig, if, hid, it. We're now going to practice writing one of those. So first we're going to practice writing my I. I'm going to do down, across and up, down, across and up. It's my I, and I'm going to choose a word to practice. I'm going to practice zip. So I'm going to look at it, zip, zip, over, zip. Check it, it's correct. Now press pause to practice other words. Now we are going to practice our sentences. We're going to practice reading and writing our sentences. Sis had jam, Sid had a fig. Sid bit the big fat fig. Did the big hat fit Hal? Did the big hat sag a bit? Sis can sit in the cab. The cab hit a big dip. Did the rat nip the cat in a rib? Did the cat yip? Did the rat zip? Vic had wit, Vic had vim, Vic can win. So I'm going to choose one sentence that I am going to write out, and I'm going to choose, did the big hat sag a bit? Okay, so I'm going to practice it. Did the big hat sag a bit? Did the big hat sag a bit? So let me practice that. Did the hat... Oh, I've forgotten the ending, so I'm going to have another look. Did the big hat sag a bit? A bit is the ending. So let me check. Did the big hat, the hat, I forgot to put in big, so I'm going to write that in so I practice it. Sag a bit. Now, at the end of the sentence, we have a question mark, which I've forgotten, so I'll put that in, because I'm asking a question, and I remembered my capital letter, so our sentence is now correct. Now we will do our final activity of reading. Kim is 6. Kim is 6 and she likes 6. Kim has 6 car kits and 6 big pins. She also has 6 tin lids. Kim has 6 pink pigs and 6 red wigs. 6 car kits, 6 big pins, 6 tin lids, 6 pink pigs and 6 red wigs. Kim likes 6. Our final reading task. Kit the pig. Kit is a pig. Kit is a big pink pig. Kit likes to dig. He likes to sit and dig. Kit likes to swim. He likes to dig and swim. Skip is a big pink pig too. He likes to dig and swim. Kit and Skip like to dig and swim. That is the end of the lesson for the I sound.